It's time for my favorite video that I do every month. It's the Virtual Model Railroad Show, where I show off viewer model railroads that may be in progress or done or have been done for a long time. It's just a really fun time to show everyone's work off. So let's go ahead and get into it. My name's Jimmy. You're watching Coffee and Trains. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and be featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Real quick word from our sponsor and we'll get into it. Cheers!
Real quick, this video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. It is an online community of model railroaders where members can get all sorts of tips, tricks, tutorials, ideas for all sorts of model railroad related things. It's got a lot of cool stuff in there that can really get you going on model railroading. And if you are looking to join up, the first 1,000 people that use the link in my description will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49. That's like 90% off the annual membership, and this offers valid for new members only. Thank you so much to Model Railroad Academy for supporting this video.
This one was sent in by Justin Schmidt.
Now, Justin has a very unique layout here. First of all, this is a Christmas shop because you can see all the Christmas trees and everything. But his layout is wrapped around some furniture and everything in his living room. And he said he had to do a unique solution for the first house that they bought. And this is what he came up with. And I think that this is just really, really cool. And you can see he's got a lot of good power and all sorts of things going on here. And he really likes this because it's running around his living room TV and allows for flexibility to change the layout and the siding, the scenery, everything for it. Plus, I'll show you this cute little picture. His dog seems to like it too. Thank you for sending this in, Justin.
This layout is from Tug Sanner.
Tug has been working on this layout for about 3.5 years, and it is the epitome of a classic train room, and he just has a lot going on in this. I love also, you can't really see in the video, but all the railroad signs you have on there. I even saw a MRNT from Model Railroader sign. That was really, really cool, but just a lot of cool details on there. It just looks like a fun place to run trains, and that's probably the highest compliment I can get, is that you can tell it was made with a genuine love of the hobby, and this just looks awesome. Thank you so much for sending this in.
Raphael Woolerstein sent this one in.
This is Raphael Woolerstein's layout, and it is just a fun little layout. It has a couple of industries, plus some cool details like all of these farm equipment right here and these farm workers right here. I also love the fact that when you look at the buildings, it's those classic little in-scale buildings right there. We've all seen those before, but it looks just really, really good here. I just want to say great job, Raphael. This is just awesome. Love it.
This submission is from Matthew Jones.
Matthew Jones' layout here, this is actually his travel layout that travels around to different shows and events. It's 23 feet by 23 feet, and it's based off the Model Railroader state line, and it is just a fun layout. Has a lot going on with it. It also gives excellent presentation. I mean, it just looks fantastic. I mean, it's got to be for it to be a good show layout, but you've done a great job with this, Matthew. I really love seeing this. That's a really good looking yard, by the way, and I'm really happy to see this. I hope you get to see this in person one day.
Check out this layout from 13-year-old Benjamin.
Benjamin's layout looks really, really fun. And then if you add in the fact that he is 13 years old, this is a fantastic layout for a 13-year-old. I wish my layouts would have looked this good when I was 13. And I'm just blown away. I didn't even realize this was done by a 13-year-old. So you've done a fantastic job, Benjamin. This is just... You have a great model railroading future ahead of you if you are already doing scenes and stuff like this well, and I'm really excited to see this. It's things like this that get me really excited for the future of the hobby. So great job, Benjamin. Happy to see this.
This is from Canadian Productions.
Canadian Productions has his layout right here. It is in progress. He's working on it, and you can see he's got that train running around there at a pretty good clip, which means that his track work is good to go, and he's ready to go on to the next step. So I can't wait to see more. When you get more done, be sure to send it in.
This is a super cool layout from Brooks Stover.
Brooks' layout is a fantastic S-scale layout, and I am in love with this layout. I'm not going to lie. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, and if I had to say that it absolutely nails the vibe of Appalachian mountain valleys, I think if you've been in those valleys, you know exactly what I'm talking about, with usually a creek or a river running through there, and then some basically broken tree cover all the way up into the hills, and just the roads going everywhere, and just the changes of elevation. But he's just done a fantastic job, and the fact that this is S-scale is just even more awe-inspiring, and I absolutely love seeing all of this. This is fantastic, Brooks.
Larry Rogers sent this one in.
Larry, my first reaction to this photo was, ooh, that's pretty. This is Larry's layout. He's had to move it, so it's under construction, but you can tell that a lot of tender loving care and hard work went into this layout. It's really big. It's got a lot of different facets and everything, and I can't wait to see until you get it back up to its previous state. Thank you so much for sharing this, Larry.
Cody Marinate sent this layout in.
Cody's been in the hobby for a while, but he's just getting started on building this layout based off the Turtle Creek layout, if you know what that is. And he is got his road bed in there, starting to get the track work in. Love seeing progress shots like this. You've done a great job with that road bed.
Mike O'Halloran sent this one in all the way from Australia.
Mike hails all the way from Australia, showing off his layout that he's working on with his 3 kids, making a lot of memories, and also helping his granddad with his railroads. He is just absolutely loving this, and you're doing a great job, Mike. Love seeing all of this. Keep it up. I cannot wait to see more.
I always love showing these off, and if you want to get yours in the queue to be shown off on the Virtual Model Railroad Show, you can just send it to the email in the description below, and it will get in the queue. It may take a little while before it gets on the show because I do have a lot of submissions. I'm getting through the middle to late summer of last year in terms of when the submissions were sent in, so a little bit of time there, but you will be in the queue. All I ask is that if you send in photos only, make sure you have a photo of at least your entire layout or a large section of your layout if it's a really big layout, and try to hold your phone sideways for both photo and video if you're using your phone. And that will help me out a ton in terms of editing. I can totally take vertical videos and photos. That's totally fine. I'll show those off, but this really, really helps. So thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.